This tutorial will guide you on how to quickly create new or convert existing widgets to the custom UI system. First, make sure to have two canvas panels in your widget blueprint. The second canvas panel holds your widget's anchors, positioning and size. Make sure to set up those values in this panel. Next, we search for the WBP Custom UI System widget and add it into the second canvas panel. As a final step, head over to the event graph and add the function Initialize Custom UI System to the event construct. Connect the reference of WBP Custom UI System to target and a reference to self as parent widget. Now, let's take a look at the different options that you can apply to your custom UI widget. The following options can be adjusted in the Details section. Widget minimal and max size. This sets the limit on how big or small the widget can be resized. You can either apply percentage-based values or accurate pixel values. Note, when pixel-based values are used, the percentage values have to be set to 0. Or you can disable the resizing altogether by checking Disable Resize. Further, you can disable opacity change or hide the edit bar while designing your widget. An advanced widget has more options, but for now we take a quick look on how to add content to a basic custom UI widget. The content for a basic custom UI widget belongs into the second canvas panel. You can design and create your widgets with as many functionalities as you want. The only thing you have to make sure is that the WBP Custom UI System widget is below your content inside the canvas panel. If you want to use advanced custom UI widgets with headers and other features, activate it in the Details tab. Additional options are Disable of Close button or header switcher. Switch header by default if you want the header be at the bottom. Change header title and height. Set up a fixed header width when collapsed. And use advanced header design. This is mainly thought for backgrounds with rounded borders including text as image, so the content and header background requires different textures when placed at the top or bottom. The design can be changed unique per widget or for all in an external struct. The content for an advanced widget belongs into the named slot of the WBP Custom UI System widget. Make sure this is placed correctly inside the named slot. To change the overall design of the advanced widgets, search for the struct ACWS collapse design and add your own textures. Before finishing this video, here are some further quick guides that might be useful. To add a new custom UI menu button for a widget, first search and open the blueprint, submenu CUIS. Then, add a radial button CUIS menu. Give it a title and choose the widget blueprint class to open. To open and close a custom UI widget on Keypress, first open your player controller or player character. Add your desired key, call the function create and remove widget custom UI system, then select the widget class to open. In case you need a widget reference, you can either set a direct reference or one to use with an implemented interface inside your widget blueprint. The included example with comments explains it well. How to make a scalable widget without any of the custom UI functionality is explained here. The widget hierarchy is the same, two canvas panel and inside the second canvas, first you add your content, and then the widget name WBP widget scaling. To show a widget on begin play, open the included or combined HUD. Then add the widget class to the array. If you want to remove a widget from this list, make sure to remove the whole array element pin. For further questions, take a look at the other tutorials. If you can't find an answer, please do not hesitate to join and ask us on the Discord support server.